Hello guys, so in today's episode we will finally start working on RX7. Yes, the RX7 right there. Our new smooth operator.
So first we need to take Jimmy's car, move it somewhere, and then find FB wheels, drive into the garage to start fixing it. This is garage, yes, Mr. Operator. Because you don't know, we have operator since today.
How much
Today,
you pay him?
whole video he will be filming us.
So we need to move this car first.
Okay, now where are the wheels?
I don't know, man. Right now we actually need to find the wheels for the RX7 because I used Sam's wheels and I still gonna use them, but I don't know where they are, so yeah. Wish us luck.
At first, before we put FB inside of the garage, we have to move Lada from the lift. So we're gonna do it now.
Also we need to clean up the mess underneath, so wish us luck. So this is what we are doing in a break time, but we really wanted to take the bus and take the wheels for RX7 from Sam's garage. But there is small issue. We thought the bus keys are here, but they are not here. Unfortunately, they are at the garage. So right now we need to go back to the garage, take the keys, go back here, and we're gonna take the bus.
No rules, no screaming or crying. No touching buttons or levers. Hold on.
We have only two wheels from Sam's garage. Unfortunately, there was only two, but we think there is more wheels in E30. We need to check it out now, so we will go to the garage. We need to check. I think that is. No, that's only tire. Okay, so there is two on the E30 and two on the Miata, I think. So yeah, we could actually just take them off the cars and we wouldn't have to go all that way to take the wheels, but I guess it is what it is. The plan for now is installing the wheels onto the car and driving the car actually inside the garage. So yeah, let's go.
Now the only thing we have to do is to put the wheels, jack the car, take the jack stands out from the car and just drive it. But the plan looks pretty simple. I don't believe it's gonna be that simple in real life. the plan is to check if the M-Way body kit will fit, especially side skirts, and if they fit, we're gonna decide what we're gonna do with the progi.
I mean, it should be. The issue, guys, with this is that I tried to hammer this down, weld it here with my welding skills, as you can see already. By accident, I bent the line between the door and progens. Right now, I'm thinking if I should cut it open, do it again with the straight sheet of metal and recreate the line, or should I just leave it like that and cover it with the laminate side skirt? Fiberglass side skirt, yes. It's fucking drift car, come on, so I don't think we'll do this whole thing again, because we don't have a skill to do that, and time, really, because the time is the key, so... Working on RX7, so I'm heading into the office and I'm gonna show you some cool stuff. Bugi is working there, so yeah, we're gonna visit him. I'm gonna show you what he's doing right now, because we don't have a lot of time and there is a lot of content to film. Bugi is editing the video. Hello Bugi, I thought you were editing the video. And I told the viewers, yo guys, we don't have a lot of time, that's why Bugi is editing the video and I'm gonna go work on the car. But Bugi, yeah? He's driving the places.
Check how good I'm driving. Oh, kurwa, no.
Very nice, very nice.
Check this.
Mister. Yeah.
I'm saying some stupid shit.
Okay. Nice, you're gonna see it later. Actually, I'm not gonna show you any of that. And yeah, I'm gonna grab the thing. But let me bring this back to the garage and I'm gonna show you some of the spicy stuff. Yes, yesterday we didn't do much content though. We were just basically driving around and yeah, we had to do it though, but it's actually it's because of you guys, because you said you want to see all of the build. Okay, so that's the part of the build when you need to fucking clean a garage, go with the bus and grab 2 wheels, and 2 wheels are gone, and some random stuff that's going on. And actually the work on the car moved a bit because you cut it one progens.
Side skirt.
Yeah, progens, you cut it one progens. So today I think we will install the windows finally, and actually okay, let's go back to the garage. Okay, so this thing is packed and right now we're gonna head out to the garage. We are working pretty hard to get you the video every Sunday 12 o'clock, and it's not easy because we have other stuff to do also, but we are doing our best, and for now it's working. So if you enjoy all of these videos and all of that shit we do, you can leave some nice comment for us. As you already seen yesterday, we cut out the progens. I still don't know what is the name of that part actually. I could check it, but progens is good, man. Today I am planning to install windows finally, because this car was standing outside with no windows for a bit, as you can already tell. So yeah, we're gonna install the windows today, at least try, because I don't know if the engines from the windows here, if they are working or no. Oh wait, oh shit, okay, we need to check if they are working. If they are working, we're gonna try to install the windows. And yeah, I guess we'll focus on that right for now. Okay, this is not good. This electric motor doesn't work. I need to take it off. Good thing is that I have additional motors here. So we can use them and maybe they will work. We'll see. So remember guys, the black cable represents minus and the black cable represents plus. So don't mess it up. Bruh. So unfortunately they don't work. The electric motor number 1 don't work and the second one don't work too. So right now I need to find a guy or somebody who will restore them for me. So yeah, and then we can install Windows. But you guys wanted all the builds, so that's what is building cars all about. Like you just want to install Windows and then you got fucked straight in the ass because nothing works. So yeah, so you cannot do that. But yeah, we'll focus on something else, I guess. So Bugi been here for a second and we checked and actually driver's side is working perfectly fine. This one, which is also driver's side, is working perfectly fine, and these two don't work. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna swap the engine, only this part, from here to here. So the passenger side is gonna work too. Working. We can install this inside. It's upside down now, obviously because there was no other way to install it. I hope it's gonna fit. So now I took off the passenger window from chilling zone, and guess what? In Windows there is like this small plastic things and there is none. And probably I cannot get them anymore. So right now I need to think of an idea how do I install it here. That's the pain in the ass, man. Hello everyone and welcome in the next day of struggling with fucking RX7. So today I went to a shop which have like a lot of parts for the like old cars, and I thought they're gonna have the thing for my Windows, but unfortunately they don't. They gave me something I will show you later. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe it won't. We'll see about that. Yeah, way better. Okay, so let's go to the garage. I think it's gonna actually work. It's looking good. So we just need to put this on and screw it in here. Nie upuścić.
Jebnie.
Ale urwał. To bym musiał bin zrobić przez to, że silnik jest do góry nogami. So right now we have another issue. Front of the window is falling off from this thing. I don't know what this is called. I need to ask Adam how to fix that. For this episode, that's it. We have Windows on. I'm gonna install the second window of the camera, obviously, because it's nothing else than the same work. Thank you guys for watching, and wish us luck in the next episode. Also, I need to end today faster so I can do a stream for you guys. See you next time.